F A, D F A, C E A, C E A. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, try that. 1, 2, 5 on the right hand. 5, 3, 1. 1, 3, 5 on the left, right hand. 5, 3, 1. 1, 2, 5. That way you'll learn your fingering if you do it that way. Okay. One more time. I'll do it slowly. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. See, this is a very good way when you block the chords, you learn the correct fingering. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. Do you think one line will be enough?
Yes.
Okay, after you do the blocking of the chords and you learn your fingering, then you can play them separately like this. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. You see, you might be able to do that for next week too. So do the blocking first. Then go back and play each individual note. F, A, C, F, A, C, E, G, C, E, G, C, D, F, A, D, F, A, C, E, A, C, E, A. But see, I'm teaching you the blocking of the chords so you can learn your right fingers, which fingering to use. So you can do it both ways next week. Do you think you can do that?
Yes.
What's the fingering? 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. So do the blocking and then try to play each individual note. Now each of these three notes are equal to one count. These are triplets. How do we know they're triplets? Because there's a number 3 on top. They're called triplets and we count them 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. First beat, second beat, 2. First beat, 1 and 2 and 2 beats in each measure. How do we know it's 2 beats in each measure? Look at the time signature. What does it say? 2, 4. What does the top number tell you? The top number tells you that there are 2 beats in each measure. What does the 4 stand for? What note? 1 over 4? It's a quarter note, right? I thought you had math in school. Remember the fraction 1 over 4?
Yeah.
That's equal to quarter, a quarter note, right? I thought I gave you all these before. Okay, a quarter note is equal to the fraction 1 over 4. A half note is equal to the fraction 1 over 2. An eighth note is equal to the fraction 1 over 8. And a 16th note, which has 2 flags on it, is equal to the fraction 1 over 16. I don't want you to forget that. Those are the durations. So you have to understand numbers to play the piano. There are a lot of numbers in music. A quarter note is equal to the fraction 1 over 4. A half note is equal to the fraction 1 over 2. An eighth note is equal to 1 over 8. And a 16th note is equal to 1 over 16. Don't forget that. So we have 2 beats in each measure, right? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and okay, now you can count it that way now, but when you play it faster you don't have time to say 1 and a 2 and so you only can say first beat, second beat, first beat, second beat, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. You can't say and, you don't have time. 1, 2, 1, 2. So if you play it fast, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Notice the retard here? 1, 2. Did you hear that retard? 1 and slow down. You have to end the piece with the retard. Now, do you know what I mean then? Did you understand everything I said today?
Yes.
Okay. So if you could play line 1 as block chords and then individual notes for next week, Then we'll have it made. And then we'll do line 2 as block chords and individual notes. Then we'll do line 3. We'll just keep on going. Okay? So this is line 1. I want you to work on line 1 for next week. Know your fingering. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. You think you can do that, or is it going to be too hard for you?
I can do it.
You think you can do it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Good, because this is the last piece in this book, and then we'll be ready for level 2.